Well, hi there guys, Mark here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Rcb Rk6 folding electric bike. Stay tuned. Okay then, and welcome today to a review on this lovely Rcb Rk6. So just in the usual format, we'll just run through all the specifications to begin with. Then we'll go for a little test ride down to Poole Harbour here in the south of England. Take it up a couple of hills, a little bit of light tracks and trails. Then we'll finish off with the final thoughts. So I just checked the price on this morning. It's currently £637, which I think for what you're getting is very, very good value for money. I will put a link in the description for you with a discount code. All came very well boxed. Comes with all the tools, the charger, a pump, a lock. Very, very easy to put together. Only took me about half an hour. So this has a 250 watt, 36 volt rear hub motor. It's very, very quiet. So this is 15.5 miles an hour, this bike. So all UK legal. Got a nice LCD display showing you your 3 power assist levels. You've got a walk mode by holding the bottom button there. You've got lights as well. Hold the plus. Got your trip meters, odometer, battery. So that's all nice. It's got a 15.6 amp hour battery, which is removable. I'll show you that in a minute. And the folding mechanism takes about 8 hours to charge. Weighs in at about 26 kilos. Very, very comfortable seat. So this will sort of suit about 5'6" to well over 6 foot tall. I'll put a little cutscene in for you just so you can look at me on the bike as a reference. I'm 5'7", 170 centimetres with a 30-inch inside leg. Right, so as I said guys, I'm 5'7", 170 centimetres. The seat is right down and I'm on the balls of my feet with my heels up. It's a very sort of spacious cockpit area here. Nice bars. These bars do go up and down a few more inches so you can adjust to suit. Very comfortable. The seat does have suspension in it, so that helps. But yeah, all in all, fits me very nicely at 5'7". Okay, so to remove the battery, you get 2 keys. It's lockable, so you just basically undo it, lift it up, and it moves straight out like that. So you can charge it on the bike or at home. To install, it's just simply a reverse process. Just slide it down in, turn the key, and that's now locked. So it's a folding design bike. Just remove the clamp on the bars. Bars will fold down like that. Got a little locking mechanism here. Pull that, undo that, and the bike folds like so. Got mechanical disc brakes that are more than enough for this sort of bike. As I said, front and rear lights, which is a nice little touch. So simple front suspension, nothing fancy. It's got 20x3 sort of semi-off-road tyres, which work really well. Do a little bit of light track and trail later on. Seven-speed Shimano index gears that work perfectly right out the box. Like the fact that it comes with a rear rack, so you can put your little bag there. Comes in this lovely white, a black or a pink. But looking around the bike, you know, for the money, it's a nice paint job, welds are decent on it. and it rides really well. It's kind of a nice sort of city step through, commuting, sort of do everything sort of style bike. So there you go, guys, let's do this test ride. Okay, so we're just down here at the lovely Poole Harbour. Very, very calm today. There's no wind at all at the moment. So anyway, let's go for the test ride on the Rcb Rk6. Turn it on just by simply holding the power button there for a few seconds. It defaults to assist level 0, so no assist. So we're just going to start off in assist level 1. So 4th gear, and the assist kicks in within a couple of turns of the pedals, just whizzing along gently at 9 miles an hour, very smooth, very quiet motor, can barely hear it, that's good. Up to assist level 2 now, it's more like it, 12 miles an hour, 6th gear. Right, assist level 3 now, 7th gear, top gear, and now we're whizzing along at the maximum 15.5. And this rides really nicely. On a nice day like this, nice cycleway, this bike's a little dream to ride. Do you know what, for the money, this is great. Okay, so here we are on the test hill. Assist level 1 at the moment. 3rd gear. I'm putting about 50% of power through my legs. It's doing okay. This hill's pretty steep, 20%. Into assist level 2 now. That's a lot better. So now into maximum assist level 3. That's doing really well. Up into 4th gear. I'm only giving it about 20% power for my legs. Into 5th gear now. 6th gear. 14 mile an hour up quite a steep hill on a 250 watt. This is good. Very good performance. So there you are, guys. The Rcb is a very good hill climber, despite it being only 250 watts. It flies up steep hills with ease, so that's really good. Right, so what's the Rcb like on light tracks and trails? Well, it's very good indeed. These 20x3 tyres give a very soft, compliant ride. It's a very smooth ride, it's quiet, the suspension seat's good. So for just general light tracks and trails like this, it handles it very well. The steering's nippy, it rolls well. And obviously it's not designed for full off-roading, but for this sort of situation, it's very good indeed. So no problems. Steers nicely, it's comfortable, it's nippy, climbs hills well. We'll just try the brakes out now, front and rear. So they've got a good bit of bite. These gears work lovely. So it's a pretty big battery on this, so you should get at least 30 miles, I would say. Little bell. But no, this is a little dream to ride. Very smooth running. Climbs hills well, it's comfortable, well priced. It's conveniently is a folding design. And this is just whipping along at 15 miles an hour very well. I like these grips. Got a rack on the back to put your bag on. Front and rear brakes work really well. Do like these index gears, they're very easy to use. So yeah, very good little performer this. Anyway, let's have a final thoughts up here. So there you have it, guys, the Rcb Rk6 step-through folding e-bike. A great bike for all sorts of situations, commuting, shopping, just general leisure riding, light tracks and trails. So we're just going to run through it all. So obviously it's a folding design, folding bars there, bars go up and down there, and there's your folding mechanism there. 26 kilos, so it can sort of be easily put into the back of a car. Rides very, very smoothly. That motor's virtually silent. 250 watt, 15.5 mile an hour, all legal. All the gears work lovely. It's got plenty of hill climbing power. It's a very sort of light bike to ride. It's nippy and responsive. Climbs the hills well. Like the fact that it comes with lights front and rear. You've got your little rear rack here. Nice sort of paintwork, and all the welds look decent on it. It rides very smoothly, no squeaks or rattles anywhere. That suspension seat works nicely. Brakes work well, absolutely fine for this type of bike. The pedals are folding as well. Removable battery, that comes out easily. Comes well boxed, easy to put together. Your sort of standard sort of display, LCD display that you see on a lot of these e-bikes, with your 3 power assist levels, trip, odometer, battery and speed. Nice little bell. But for the money, it's a very, very good bike. Rides very well indeed. So guys, please post your comments down below. Give me a like, share and subscribe. And as always, I'll bring you another review in a week or so. Take care, ride safe, and bye for now.